G'day viewers. Well, one of my mates just gave me his old laptop. He had a bit of a party night and dropped it. Yeah, and the hard drive just took a shit. It's the 1 terabyte HGST hard drive, Hitachi drive. It's got about 6,000 bad sectors now. It's not happy, but no data, no important data was lost. I just cloned the Windows 10 Enterprise OS installation off this machine onto a spare 320GB laptop hard drive I had. Took out of a Telstra T-Box. I just cloned it on that and just chucked it in here for now. And I just let this thing update and just put its own HP specific hardware and drivers and everything on it. And now it runs nicely. I'm going to consider an SSD for this, definitely. The battery's still good. Having an SSD is going to save me so much power and be much quicker. It's got 8GB of RAM, a Core i5, AMD Radeon graphics. And yes, it does run the Crysis games. From about 2015 this. Not really a big fan of HP, but their stuff's pretty much junk nowadays, but for a fair laptop I wouldn't have turned it down. Not a bad little yeah, let's just say it's definitely handy to have. It's not a bad little laptop. I've got me some 3D printed sliders. The local J-Car did them for me for nothing, which is really cool. So to get these feet up, I can have it moving a long time. I got some. I found a better, improved file for these, which matches these with all the details. So they're going to print those next. But these are okay. Look at that. I'll clear them up eventually, but these prints came out pretty good. I only tore them broke, but that's when they got stuck on the printing bed. Bit of trial and error with 3D printing. I really should get me my own 3D printer one day, but I'll just get stuff done for me in the meantime. Nice. That is awesome. Looking good. Oh yeah, and this I'm going to chase up a connector for this optical drive for that laptop, because the ribbon cable that goes on the little board that will plug into there, the ribbon cable was torn off. The brake was it's a bit rough with it, but it's not too badly broken. It's fixable. I've got it going pretty good now. Yeah, he loves his sport. Really loves a footy, and this has been through some parties, this thing. Been dropped several times through its life. The hard drive wasn't its way out, so the recent grand final weekend, that was the last time this thing was used and the last time it worked, because they had a little big music playing, and they kind of got, I don't know what they did, they had it on a little table and they knocked the table over, and that was the end of it. Hard drive, yeah, finally died. Yeah, he got a new laptop anyway, so bit better than this one, but this is more than good enough. We're not going to use it for little things, or do what I do on a desktop on a portable means. Maybe take it in the shed and do some logging on the for other little bits and pieces outside around the place. Pretty handy. I can upload videos on YouTube in the shed now. Well, I could deck it out and put a desktop in there, but it's too hot in that shed. This would be alright. Just carry it with me. Be on the go, that one. Even if I go on holidays and take the camera, I've got this to do the editing and stuff with. Handy, handy, handy. I've been pretty busy. Got a fridge here from another mate. Well, it works nice. It's a Korean-made NEC, which is just, it's actually a rebranded Daewoo. So in Korea, this would be known as a Daewoo fridge, but branded NEC here in Australia. The defrost heating element down here has to be replaced. I looked online, it's about $120. It's like a piece of glass tube. I'll shop locally, see how much I can get it locally for. Hopefully they can do it for me cheaper. I'll just get the part itself and I'll just do all the labour, put it in myself. Not hard to do. Not a bad fridge. Just gave it a wash with a bleach gun. and foamed it all up and washed it all out with a hose. Definitely not a bad fridge. Then you've got your wiring diagram in there and everything. Made in Korea for NEC. But yeah, all the components on that circuit board behind here, it's all Daewoo parts. And I got some more scores. Got a battery charger from this bloke. It did work, but he dropped it and it stopped working, but I fixed it. Jump starter, which I just put some distilled water in that highway battery, which came from Alibaba, oddly enough. It doesn't feel like it's got lead inside it. It's kind of light, hollow for a 12 amp hour battery, but you gotta love China. Highway or highwellxdc.cn, alibaba.com. Interesting. Best Buy here. Brands like that you can get off Alibaba. You can buy them locally. That's the guy's air conditioning pump. I had to wire it up for me. That's a German pump. He got a Chinese pump with a shattered pole motor, which the wiring was different. He didn't know how to wire it back up, so I quickly got that all sorted for him. Yeah, some of that stuff I was given was a gift, and thank you gifting with it. So help people out. Always good. And if you wonder why I got this for, well, it's for recycling. I purchased me another Vega oil can. This one. This had no lid and no spout. I've just made my own up, and the lid off here replaced the lid on here. That's nice. Fits perfectly. This one's a insert, just clips in, but this one's a threaded one. It's got a fine thread. Have nothing for it, but this lid fits perfectly. Look at that. Now that's recycling. Piece of copper pipe. The flare already there. I just soldered it in. Map gas. Found a map gas kit at bloody Aldi. Nice and cheap. Not bad for a Chinese unit. Done the job. Could be chap gas. I don't think it's actually map gas because the company that actually made it's no longer in existence. Basically, it's propane, and dimethyl ether mixed. They soldered that copper pipe on, flared the end down. I got this tip. It's just a brass hose barb I cut, stuck it in there and just soldered it on. It almost has that contour that this the proper nozzle would have, like this one. That goes inside like an old lathe. It's got like a cup that you stick this nozzle into, and you pump like mad with pressure lubes and lubricates the gliders on your old lathes. It's designed what these cans are designed for. $10, so there's so much as a bargain. This all unscrews, you can change all the insides and rebuild the pump. I really like these oil cans, they're awesome. So they both work real well. I got another oil can which I for parts in case I need another one. Sure, I need parts, but it's a bit later. It's more of a modern design. Also $10. The has that nozzle on it. This one here, I have to rebuild the pump bit inside. The sleeve is different on this one. The pump is on the lid itself, but I got the actual cylinder that the piston goes down. The wall's split. Now, if I can get me very carefully with low flame, I can braze that back up and fix this. If not, we're going to use this part of this spout, put it on the end of that, have that nozzle on it. So potential parts there. But I'll try and fix it. Oil cans, especially these older ones, are really handy. They're really well made. Check my batteries. That SLA is good. I put some distilled water in that. That's come up nice. That's working real nicely now. That's gotten all healthed up. And these two batteries here, this other APC one, I've got it all filled up with distilled water and got it all revived. I use my redneck battery charge method to revive that. Just a bridge rectifier, plugged in directly into the 240 volt mains with a kettle as a ballast, and that got that thing all woken up nicely. I fixed it. It's got about 100 cold cranking amps in it now. It's actually improving. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.